Hey friends, I want to show you another easy no-bake dessert. This one you won't have to turn your oven on for a darn thing. It's so easy. I've taken 2 sticks of butter and melted them in the microwave. A little less than 2 sticks of butter. And I'm taking 2.5 cups of graham cracker crumbs. I found these at Kroger. They are wonderful. I'm doubling this recipe, so I wanted to just make one huge batch. Now, if you want to just make one pie, like size cheesecake, half these ingredients, okay? To those graham cracker crumbs and butter, I'm going to add a half a cup of sugar. I have a big family, so I need to double everything because we love cheesecake, and it's a Sunday evening dessert. Yeah, Pete, my toes down there, my 12-year-old was filming. And I was like, yep, there are my toes in the video, but that's okay because it's summer. Really, I don't wear shoes in the winter either, but okay. I've taken a 9x13 dish and I'm pouring my graham cracker crumb mixture. It's wet. The butter has covered it. There's nothing grainy left from the sugar. I'm going to take it, started patting it down with a spoon, but let's be honest, the hands are just better. So my hands are clean. I'm not going to spend 10 minutes patting this thing down with a spoon. And yeah, I could have used something else, but I'm just going to use what God gave me, my hands. This is one of those desserts that take about 4 to 5 hours to set, but honestly, it tasted better. I made this yesterday. It tasted better today. After it sat up a little bit more overnight, it really tasted good. So pat that down really, really well. Now this is going to call for 4 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese. 4. Again, I'm doubling this. You will only need 2 of the 8 ounce if you're just making the pie size. I'm taking 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. It just gives it that tang. And I'm going to give it a good mix. Y'all, I didn't realize how much work would go into, for this little mixer here, how much work this little mixer would have to do creaming 4 blocks of cream cheese. But it did such a beautiful job until the very end, and I'll show you. I'm creaming that. I'm getting that good mixed up. I'm going to scrape the bowl every few minutes, every few seconds. I'll scrape the bowl to get all the good cream cheese out. Now I'm going to add 2 14-ounce cans of sweetened condensed milk. Again, if you're not going to double the recipe, you're only going to use 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. This is amazing. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm going to add 2/3 of a cup of sour cream to my condensed milk and cream cheese mixture. And again, I'm looking at it going, you know what? I need to get in here with my hand mixer. I just want to make sure that we get out all those lumps of cream cheese. The mixer did a great job incorporating it, the stand mixer, but my hand mixer, there's just no replacing it. I'm not going to lie to you. I love it. I'm just going to beat this for probably 2 to 3 minutes on medium. When I get it good mixed together, I'm going to pour it over that graham cracker crust. And y'all, look how beautiful and velvety smooth this is. Y'all, it is so easy and delicious. I'm not going to say it tastes like a homemade, like baked in the oven cheesecake, but it's really nice because, like I said, you don't have to heat up your kitchen. And here it was after it sat for 4 hours in the fridge. And I served it with some cherries. And look, the boys have already been in it.